Oh.
Alright guys, so today we'll be taking out the cam from this engine, 4.8, we're gonna put it on that engine over there. Last weekend we actually took out the engine from this one and the torque converter. So all we need to do is put the engine back in. So you can see it's completely stripped out, harness is out. So yeah, hopefully today we can put it back in and see if we can make it start running. Alright, yeah. Weirdo.
3, 2, 1. Yeah.
Hold up. I don't know what to say.
You wrote it down?
No. I don't know what to say what hey, what's up guys? Today we're gonna be taking out the cam from this engine, putting it down in there. You're recording just now? You are?
Yeah.
No, well start it lower. Alright guys, so we're gonna take out the camshaft. We flipped over the engine so the lifters wouldn't fall down. Because it'll be easier than taking off the heads and getting new gaskets for it, so we're just gonna flip it over, take out the cam. There you go guys, simple as that. Little comp cam. So yeah, now we gotta put the stock cam back into it, back into the 4.8. Put everything back together, put that one up in the stand, and put this cam in it. So we'll update you guys in a bit. Oh no, hold up. Cut it. I don't know what to say. Should I say like, oh, so we've been struggling with this, we're gonna go to Menards, try this one thing. Alright guys, so for the last half hour I think, we've been trying to take out the springs off the heads. But I feel like this piece of shit only works with the regular springs. Or like these. I don't know if you can see it. So, and the problem with that, I think these are the dual valves ones, straight from BTR. As you can see, we out here, BTR gang. So we're gonna have to go to Menards. I seen this one video on YouTube that what they do is like get like a piece of metal and like a sheet type of thing, getting like a different bolt, and like so you can put it like this. So you're gonna put it flat like this. Put the tornillo right here, and be just tightening up the tornillo, and then it should put the pressure down to make this go compress it down. So once we get back from Menards, we'll update you guys in a bit. Alright, so fucked up.
I'll cut it out.
What should I say?
Just how we already changed the spring.
Makes me nervous.
He can't even hear you.
Alright, so we actually, I couldn't take him off with this little tool right here. this tool right here didn't work for shit. Kept on falling off. Damn. So we just took off the heads, even though I didn't want to, because I needed to buy new gaskets for it now. So we took them off to take out the springs, and we actually have one of the heads here, right here. So we're taking off these springs right here to the old ones. So you can see these are the old ones compared to the new ones, which are the double ones, beehives. So that's what we're doing right now. We just took off the heads, had no choice. So we actually took off this engine's heads off too, which needs a little cleanup from the pistons, but nothing too serious. So right now we're just gonna go take off that cam over there from the 4.8, put this stage 1 into it, and take off that cam, put in this cam. Should be easy.
Yes, sir.
Fucking weirdo. So recording?
Yeah.
Why so? Alright, so now we take the plate off. Now find the bolt. Pause it.
He can't hear you. Yeah.
Alright, so now all we do is pull this cam out. Just like that. Make sure it's
Nice.
all the ways down so the lifters won't fall out.
Didn't we already take it out?
Nope. Alright, so now we're gonna switch it to this cam right here. Should be easy process. Gotta put some oil in it. Come on.
Andrew still has the crema over there.
No what?
The crema.
Oh, the crema? Oof. So we actually have an engine lube that we can use. You just gotta put some type of oil or the engine lube. Just to get it already moisture into it. Nothing too serious, just some light. And yeah, just do it nice and smooth. Like that. Now you just want to stick it in. When you stick it in, you gotta like turn it around. Makes it easier. Ain't that bad. Pretty easy. Simple process. There you go. So once that's done, you just take off the bolts. You can use the water pump bolts since they're longer, but I was too lazy to look for them, so I just went with these. Nice. And yeah. Yeah, I mean, pretty sure we won't be able to put the engine in today. Today's on a Sunday, so I'll probably have to go on probably next weekend, since I still gotta buy the harness, because I actually bought a harness, but it wasn't for my year. I actually got a 2015 harness for a Silverado. Yeah, they're not good. They're not fit for anything. So now I gotta go to Lockport, Illinois. Go get myself the harness over there. Alright. Nah, fuck it, cut that bitch out.
Okay.
Alright. Yeah? Alright, what's up, guys? So, in the meanwhile, we got done putting back the engine block. As you can see, it's the only thing we need to do is put the valve covers back on, but we're actually gonna sell it tomorrow. They're gonna come pick it up tomorrow. Some guys that hit me up on Facebook, they're gonna come pick it up tomorrow. Unfortunately, I didn't have as much time as we wanted to, so we're gonna keep on working on it next weekend or during the weekend, I believe, during the weekdays before work. We're gonna go finish the block. Which the only things we need to do on the block, I already put the cam in. I forgot to record. We didn't record as much as we wanted to because we were having problems with this, and it was just pain in the ass. So, but the only thing we need to do is change the springs. Change them these bitches to those, and just put everything back together. Hopefully next weekend, Saturday or Sunday, we should put the engine back in, and by that time I should have the harness for the motor. So hopefully we could turn it on by Saturday night and take it to the meet or something. And well, yeah, pues ahí nos vemos, compas.